Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to discuss about Python args. Let me tell you the problem statement. For example, we have a function what takes two parameters and it does summation of two numbers. And the problem what we'll be trying to solve today is if we pass more than two parameters in the function, we'll check whether the program will work. If it works or not, that will come up with the output. So what will be the output? And also the another requirement is what if we want to add 10 numbers using the same function. We don't want to change anything in this function, but we would like to pass 10 parameters and we are expecting that it will go to display the summation of these 10 numbers. The same thing, what if you want to pass large number of data values as arguments to the function. So today's video I'll be trying to solve this problem and I'll be trying to address all the questions here. Let's jump into the code. So we have the Visual Studio open here. Let's create a new file called args_learn.py. Right. So as I said, we already have one function called sum, right? So let's define the function sum, and it accepts two parameters, a and b. And as I said, it just sum up these two numbers together, and it displays the output of this one, right? So let's print the total is, so I'm saying a plus b, and I'm going to call this function by passing two numbers 5 5. All right, so I'm expecting that you're going to sum this one and print it out. Let's call this one. You see the total is 10, no issues at all. Now what is the second question was, what if we pass more than two parameters, like we pass another one here? Let's see what outcome it gives. So it says that takes two positional arguments, but three were given. So it cannot accept more than two or less than two. It will always stick with the two parameters because we have defined this one that way. To mitigate this problem, so another problem what we found, that if we would like to pass 10 parameters, or if we want to pass large number of data values, how we can use the same function to sum those numbers, right? That's the another problem we found. So to mitigate this problem, we need to use the star args, and exactly that time the star args comes in the picture. Let's do it like def sum underscore args, and then we say hey star, and then we say num. So when we use star args or star, so args means you can put any name there. So it doesn't mean that you need to use star args all the time. You can pass star num or star abc, whatever you want, right? So you can use that. And now I'm going to declare a local variable called sum equals 0 because I'm going to assigning the summation to this. I'm going to iterate through the num. So for n in num, and then I'm going to sum it up to n, and then I print it back to say the total is, so it's done. Now let's call this function this, then let's say I have passed 5 parameters. Let's see what comes. We need to remove this because the first one accepts only 2. So let's clear it and then back. Let's see what it does. You see, it has calculated the summation of all the numbers what we pass as part of the parameter, right? So if you have more 90, it will still work. So I think you got the point in which cases we can use the star args. We can leverage this one. Thank you for watching. If you find this video is helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button as well. Thank you for watching. See you to the next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.